In this tutorial, I will share with you 5 actions you can do to be a better person. Most people often grow up to become an adult that is not always a reflection of their true self. It is so easy in this world to lose track of our authentic self and not be the best version of ourselves. Since you've picked up this tutorial, it means that you are ready to bring back that authentic self, that beauty that lies within you, and show it to the world. Here are 5 actions you can do to be a better person. Express love. Being a better person is about learning to be a better person toward ourselves first. It has to start from within you. To be a better person, you have to find love within. You have to be able to show yourself compassion, love, and acceptance. You can't give to others what you are unable to deliver to yourself. Once you can love yourself, you will radiate love, and others will be attracted to you. Express love by acknowledging one thing you love about yourself every morning. Be grateful. Gratitude is one of the most important daily rituals you can implement in your life to be a better person. Being grateful means that you are expressing appreciation. It can be shown toward others and yourself. Everybody loves some kind of recognition. The more you will be comfortable expressing gratitude, the easier it will be to appreciate others and yourself, and therefore make you a better person. Express gratitude by recognizing a person daily. Practice self-awareness. Have you ever been in a public space and the person next to you expresses this huge sigh that clearly shows her impatience toward the situation? How did that make you feel? Were you a bit uncomfortable? That person didn't care about self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to recognize your emotional state and find ways to stay in balance. When you practice self-awareness, you are automatically allowing yourself to be a better version of yourself and not let your emotions take control of you. Practice self-awareness by training yourself to observe your feelings. Be open to give and to receive. To be a better person, you need to find a balance between giving and receiving. Being open to receive means that you say thank you when someone compliments you, that you show gratitude when someone gives you a gift, or that you are not afraid to ask for help. It also means that you are open to help others, demonstrate compassion toward them, and provide them with your presence when they need it. Finding a balance between giving and receiving is very hard, but that balance is critical to be a better person and attract abundance in your life. Show compassion. Compassion is slightly different than empathy. Compassion is a step above empathy and is what can make you a better person. When you show empathy, you recognize that another person's situation might not be great, and you offer your presence and listening skills to allow them to share how they feel. On the other hand, compassion means that you are present for the other person, that you recognize that their situation is not ideal, but you don't let the case ruin the day. You feel empowered to uplift the other person and allow them a moment of peace and joy while they are with you. Compassion is where you can turn sadness into love and appreciation. Compassionate people make a huge difference in this world because not only do they make you feel listened to, they also make you feel better about your experience, no matter how difficult it may be. Compassion will bring the best out of you and others. The 5 actions we've shared with you are always available to you. Make a note of them and keep them in a place where you can be reminded of how you can be a better person. If you place them in a high-traffic area, you are likely going to inspire others to be better people.